Stop scrolling, seriously. What I'm about to show you honestly feels a little unfair. While everyone is busy asking ChatGPT to write boring emails, the top 1% are using these three hidden AI tools to do 10 hours of work in 10 minutes. I'm not exaggerating. I've dug deep into the internet to find these. Tool number two is going to change how you study or work forever. And tool number three, well, that one can literally make you money. Let's unlock the secrets. Tool number one, Napkin.ai. Okay, first up, we all hate walls of text. Whether you are a student writing an assignment or an employee making a report, nobody reads long paragraphs anymore. They want visuals. But designing charts and infographics takes hours on Canva or Illustrator, right? Wrong. Meet Napkin.ai. This is the secret weapon for storytelling. You can change the style, the colors, everything. Imagine dragging this into your next presentation. You look like a design genius, but you just pressed one button. It's currently in beta and free to try. This is an absolute productivity hack. Tool number two, NotebookLM. Okay, that was cool. But this next one, this is scary good. This is from Google, but barely anyone is talking about its best feature. We all have that stack of PDFs, research papers, or long contracts that we need to read but don't want to read. ChatGPT can summarize it? Sure. But NotebookLM does something insane. You can listen to your study notes while at the gym or driving. It turns information into entertainment. If you are a student, this is your cheat code for exams. Don't tell your professors. Alright, I promised you a tool that could potentially build a business. Here it is. Web development is hard, coding is difficult, hiring a developer costs thousands of dollars. But what if you could build a professional website just by typing a sentence? This is 10web.io. It's an AI website builder on steroids. Think about it. You could go to local businesses that don't have a website, offer to build them one, use this tool to create the base in minutes, and charge them for the finished product. That is how you use AI to actually get paid. So, we had Napkin.ai for visuals, NotebookLM for learning, and 10web for building. The links to all of these are hidden in the description below. I'm testing 5 more secret tools right now, including one that clones your voice perfectly. If you want to see that video next, do me a favor. Smash that like button and comment the word secret down below. If this video gets 500 comments, I'll drop part 2 next week. Stay ahead of the curve. I'll see you in the next one.